everyone, welcome back to my channel, Glamour Has No Age. This is Michelle. Today we're going to be using two new products. I got the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Eye Primer. And I have the Supreme Mauves by Couture. Looks like that. So I figured we'd use these today. Let me open up the Milk Primer. You've been seeing all the YouTubers use this, I bet. Has a doe foot applicator. Feels good. It leaves a nice smooth surface. All right, I'm gonna take my reference number 16. There's a color here called Overexposed. It's a nice cream color right here. I'm gonna dust that all over the eyelids. Then what am I gonna do? I'm gonna go into Royal, if you could see it, right here, and put that in my crease with the same brush. It is very pigmented. Then I'm gonna take, what do I got here for my reference brushes? I'm gonna take my reference number 14 and I'm gonna go into Prestige, which is right here, and paint that on my inner V. These powders are really beautiful. I really like Artist Couture. I tried the other palette. I may bring that on camera. It's an older product, but it's an all neutral product. Then I'm going to take my Angie shimmer brush and I'm going to go into this sex appeal right here. Now, this is a little, not really. Let me see how it lays down. It looks chunky. No, not chunky at all. Stop. You can spray these, and I think they would come out better and more foiled than what I'm doing here. I'll try that next time spraying them. But I got no fallout, which is good. Tiniest bit of kick up in the pan. I enjoyed it. I also enjoyed this Hydro Grip primer. I really like the way it made the skin on my eyes feel very smooth. I'm going to put on some mascara. Anyways, I enjoyed that palette. I'm glad I picked it up. I have this bronze palette too. I hauled that a while ago but didn't use it. This is a trending topic. I haul things, never show you, and never use them. So, I like this palette. I think it was worth the money. Very pretty. And if you wanted to go more neutral, you could, if you eliminate this row right here and this, if you eliminate this row and this one, you could just stay in this for an everyday look, for a neutral look in here. That's absolutely doable as well. There's a lot of options in this palette. I'm glad I picked it up. It is vegan and cruelty-free. Vegan I like because with the bright colors like this, I don't have a problem wearing them. Well, anyways, if you like videos like this, consider subscribing. Hit the like button. It helps me be seen by other people. I'll see you in my next video.